Hi everyone. I wanted to give you a brief overview of LibraryThing, which is the resource or the social networking site that we'll be using for your media log assignments for EDS 501. So you need to go into librarything.com, which is the URL for the site, and if you haven't done so already, you'll need to obviously create an account, and I'm going to leave that up to you to sort out. It's like most other Web 2.0 tools that I'm sure you've used. You can simply create an account, set up your password, and you'll be all set. I've actually created a dummy book just to give you an idea of the way that I would like you to set up the format for your entries. I'm going to be pretty strict about having your entries set up in much the same way, simply because that makes it easier for me to help you if you need it, but also makes it a lot easier for marking. So you can see I'm here on my main home page in LibraryThing, and I'm just going to click on this book with the blank page, because that of course is the fake book that I've created. That is the sample entry. So you can go into my profile and look at my library, and you can find the sample entry when you're setting up your entries. Sorry, brain blanked out there. I'm going to just edit the book, and I will show you the different categories that I'd like you to use. So you can see that I've got it set up with the title, so obviously that's where the title goes. The author, obviously, same thing. Tags, this is where you can enter your subjects if you choose. Then you need a review, and the review section is where you can provide your brief review of the item, no more than 3 or 4 sentences, and this is your personal reaction to the book. Publication information, that's pretty straightforward. It's the bibliographic information. Publication date, again, pretty straightforward. I would like you to include the ISBN, assuming the resource that you're including actually has an ISBN. It makes it easier if you're trying to find the item again, or if you want to order it for your library or whatever. Some of these other things you don't need to worry about, but then you need to come down here to the comments, and you'll see that the comments is where, this is the field where you're going to include 2 different comment fields actually. The first one is to provide links to or citations for reviews from professional reviewing sources. Do not, and I will repeat this, do not copy and paste the full text of the review. Simply give me the citation for the review. Do not copy the full text of the reviews, because you do not have permission to include the full text in this format. The second comment field, as I've noted here, is for your reader's advisory information. This is where you can put in your age range, the awards the book may have won, any series information, themes that you want to remember, curriculum links, etc., etc. And this is important because this will help you find the book again, or will help you remember more about the book if you're talking to kids about it and doing reader's advisory. The summary field here is where you'll provide your short, I say 1 to 2 sentences, but I know that's challenging, so no more than 4-sentence description of the plot or the content of each item. So that's in here, and the rest of this stuff is sort of entered automatically. You don't have to include the reading dates for me, nor do you have to include the date acquired. So once you've entered all that, you can save, and your entry or your book, your item, will be added to the library, your personal library. Now, in the next, I'm going to do another screencast that will show you exactly how to add books and how to set up your fields that way, but that gives you an idea of how to get started.